Welcome to my channel. If this is your first visit, I appreciate you dropping by. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating my process for preparing delicious lentil soup. Prepare these ingredients for the recipe. Begin by placing the bacon into a preheated frying pan or Dutch oven. As the bacon sizzles, use this time to prepare the remaining ingredients. Once the bacon reaches a crispy texture, remove it from the pan, ensuring to discard the excess grease. Introduce the chopped hot dogs into the pot, allowing them to lightly brown. As the hot dogs are browning, take the opportunity to wash the lentils. Add all the vegetables to the pot except for the garlic and mix thoroughly until combined. Cover the pot and allow the mixture to simmer for 10 minutes. After uncovering, add the garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, cumin, and chicken bouillon to the pot. Thoroughly mix the seasonings into the mixture until well incorporated. Add the lentils and ensure thorough mixing with the rest of the ingredients. Cover and let it simmer for approximately 5 minutes. Uncover the pot to check for any sticking at the bottom. Add the chicken broth, ensuring to cover the pot again and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Check the lentils and potatoes for tenderness. If they are tender, add the bacon back into the pot. Now is a good time to adjust the seasoning by adding more salt if necessary, and you can also incorporate more water if needed for desired consistency. Take a moment to taste the dish and ensure it meets your preferences. If everything tastes right, cover it again and allow it to simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. I like to serve the lentil soup with fresh, crispy serrano peppers alongside a simple quesadilla. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.